Hape.
Playing outdoors is an essential part of any childhood, providing children with exercise and fresh air. Hape's collection of nature fun toys encourages boys and girls to go out, get close, and discover the magic of nature. It will bring new levels of excitement and adventure to any excursion or play day. In the adventure, the compass and hand-powered flashlight will show the way. Kids can take a close look at small creatures with our real working magnifying glass, telescope, and periscope. Or even catch one with the net and put it in the bug jar. The DIY kit allows kids to collect leaves and transform them into an artwork. Learning to use these real working gears introduces the natural world and basic science skills like observing creatures, making specimens, and more. Greenhouse Playset is a fantastic way to start learning how to grow a plant. We use eco-friendly materials like bamboo, plant plastic, and recycled PET. Bamboo is the most sustainable plant in the world. By the time you have this toy, the bamboo used to make it has already grown back. And the plant plastic, derived from sugarcane, is non-oil based, which is safe for kids and the environment. Hape always endeavors to leave a better world for future generations.
Hape.